Skip escape for short means to skip stitches without hooking. For example, skip a stitch. We'll just skip a stitch that doesn't hook. Hook it here on the next stitch. For example, skip one stitch, then hook a single crochet. Skip this one stitch, does not hook. Next stitch to hook a single crochet. The stitch is free. Skip the stitch, then hook a single crochet to the next stitch. This is what happens after the hook. There's a little hole here. Let's do it again. Skip one stitch, then hook a single crochet. Just skip the stitch. Hook a single crochet on the next stitch. Hook a single crochet on the next stitch. Skip escape for short. You've skipped the stitches. Skip the stitches. Start with the third stitch. This creates a larger hole. This is skip escape for short.